Hi, let's learn how to make intro for your YouTube channel.
Hi, this is Hamza Shamsi, and you're watching Info World and Technology. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get latest videos.
There are many sites from which you can download 3D and 2D intro templates for your channel, like renderfirst.com, velocify.com, and many more. You can Google. Links are in the description. You can pick any template you like and download it. Then you can edit your name, channel name, and you're good to go. The best intro needs to have your channel name. If your channel name doesn't tell about your niche, then you should include some video clips of the video you will or have posted. Keep in mind that your intro is just like your first impression to the new viewer, and the viewer should get to know about your channel as soon as he or she views your intro. The more catchy intro you have, the more interested viewer will be to stay on your channel. You can also include small proportion of the video you got the most views from. The one thing you must include in your intro is asking viewers to subscribe your channel, because when you ask people to subscribe, they do it. But if you don't ask your viewers to subscribe, not many people will hit the subscribe button, and also ask them to click on the bell button. You can create your own subscribing and clicking the bell icon video by recording your screen and subscribing to your own channel. What else should I tell you guys? You can use Sony Vegas Pro Filmer or any video editing software you like. Hope you guys will make awesome intros for your channel, and do let me see them when you're done. And do hit the like button if the video was any help to you, and click on the subscribe button. Don't forget the bell icon. Share it to your friends for whom this video will be helpful.